Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deeper into React and talking about something super important, components and templates. If you're new to React or just brushing up on your skills, this video is going to be really helpful. So, let's get started. Section 1, Introduction to Components. First up, let's talk about components. In React, components are like building blocks for your application. Each component is a piece of the UI that you can reuse throughout your project. Think of them like Lego blocks. Each piece serves a specific purpose, but you can combine them to create something much bigger. Components can be as small as a single button or as large as a whole page, and the beauty of it is that they're modular. This means you can create a component once and then reuse it anywhere in your application. Section 2, Understanding Templates and JSX. Now, when you define a component in React, you're usually returning some kind of template. This template is what gets rendered to the screen, and it's written in a language called JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it looks a lot like HTML, with some key differences. One important thing to remember is that because class is already a reserved word in JavaScript, you can't use it in JSX the way we do in HTML. Instead, we use className to apply CSS classes. So whenever you see className in a React component, just know it's the JSX version of class in HTML. Section 3. Templates in React aren't just static HTML, there's logic behind them. You can embed JavaScript expressions directly in your JSX using curly braces. This allows you to dynamically update your UI based on the state or props of your component. For example, you can conditionally render elements, loop through arrays to create lists, and much more. Once you've created a component, you'll likely want to use it in different parts of your application. To do that, you'll need to export it. In React, exporting is pretty straightforward. Then you can implement it this way. So that's a quick overview of components, templates, JSX, and exporting in React. Understanding these basics is key to getting the most out of React, whether you're building a simple web page or a complex application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more React tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.